ma'am. This is Ranjit here. I hope you remember me from the 98 batch in Antop Hill. I just wanted to say Happy Teachers' Day and wanted to thank you for a lot of things. I still remember the 10th standard practice test that you made me do, and it's one of the reasons why I have something called hardworking and rigor in my life. So, thanks a lot, and I'm looking forward to meeting you whenever you come to Bombay or I come down to Assam or Sikkim, wherever you are. Okay, so thank you and take care of yourself. Take care. Bye.
This is a video from all of us wishing you an amazing Teachers' Day. Hope you have a fabulous day today. Clearly, you're still such an integral part of our lives. We remember you, we think about you, and you've been an amazing, amazing teacher who's inspired us so much to do what we are doing today, to be what we can. And we just wanted to come together on this special day to let you know how much your existence has meant for us, how much you've touched us in our lives, and how you're still very much a part of who we are today. So without mincing any more words, here's wishing you a fabulous Teachers' Day.
This is Arun here. I hope you recognize me. It's been a long time, and I actually turned more glamorous and good looking as well. But anyway, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for all that you have done for us and for many other students as well. And it's kind of hard to find a good teacher and a good friend in a teacher. And fortunately for all of us, you have been both. So here's me wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day, and may God bless you. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, and we remember you to this day and forever for whatever you have taught us. So enjoy and have a very happy Teachers' Day. Bye, take care.
Good morning, ma'am. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. What shall I say? Actually, I have not been that fortunate like others to have you a teacher in my life. But I am fortunate to have a person who has touched my life. So thank you for being so humble with me, and wish you all luck. And I think you have been a wonderful teacher. More than a teacher, you have been a wonderful friend, guide, and wish that you give us the same blessings and love for us. And it's so good that we are able to do this. And thanks, Kirti, to give me an opportunity to
Hi ma'am, hope you're doing well, and a very happy Teachers' Day to you. And I saw some of the videos that guys have put together, and I'm just amazed how 10 of us living in different parts of the world could come together to share a message with you. And I don't think this is possible without each of us sharing a special bond with you or with each other. I owe some of the best life lessons to KVK and to you. So thank you for all that. And I think we need to catch up sometime. I will call you or meet you. Assam or Sikkim may be far-fetched, but we shall try.
How are you? Well, I just wanted to wish you happy Teachers' Day. It's been 15 to 16 years now, and it's been a long time. I got 2 kids and I have like white hairs now, but we still love you. I still remember every little details, all the time which I spent with you. Maybe it's you giving us money to buy samosas, or you taking us to Vatika, or you taking us to Scout and Guides camp, and sharing the lunchbox. So all those things I still remember. You were always there for all of us, and you were always there like a parent, like a friend, like a teacher, and that's the best thing about you. We all love you, and I wish you a good luck, and please take care of your health, and I will see you sometime next year. Alright, thanks, bye.
Hello ma'am, how are you and how are you doing? First of all, wish you a very happy Teachers Day. Apologize for this bad video. I just came back from office and trying to record a message for you from my wife's mobile phone. I mean, more than a teacher, you've always been a friend to us. We've spent, I don't know, you must have wasted more than 4 to 5 hours of your time at a stretch at times, talking to you about everything in life, including girls. So thanks for being there, and wish you all the best. Please do come visit us in Mumbai. If possible, I'll certainly come to Jaipur someday. Thank you.
Hello Bansal ma'am, happy Teachers Day, and I cannot imagine how you manage 2 kids and then wanted to go and work with more kids. I have my hands full just with one, but anyways, I wanted to wish you happy Teachers Day and say happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day!